Hello everyone. So this is the giveaway video. I tried doing this giveaway that I worked really hard on last like 2 months ago, and it ended up all of the people who won it were international. So this is gonna be the giveaway. This with this lovely Aristocats journal that was actually one of my first journals that I had ever made. So it has lots of little plain stuff with pockets. Every page has something though. I mean, this ain't just a plain journal. It is all about cats. And I tried to keep it that way to the best of my ability. And I think I used stationery for most of the pages. It was originally just pages that I had made. And so, I mean, there are 2 signatures here. Again, I tried multiple different things. This was my beginning of junk journaling, so I really had no clue what the heck I was doing. So, that's it. I still love how I did this cover though. Again, it was when I was at the very beginning, so this was the last page. Yeah. When I just started journaling, so and I figured out if you want to buy any of my journals that I make on YouTube, for right now, I'm trying to make it so I can sell on Facebook instead of Etsy. And if you end up going off and in order to win this giveaway, you need to subscribe and like the video, and also I think maybe do something random, like, I don't know, your favorite theme for a junk journal. I think that would be interesting and give me more ideas. I will be working on a different way of selling other than Etsy, because Etsy will no longer take my card, my debit card that I use for work before I started the Etsy, so it makes it very confusing at the moment. They only take credit cards and no debit cards or something like that. I don't know. They told me they will no longer accept my card though, which had the money on it and everything else to pay them, but can't pay them if that's the issue. But I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe, like, you have to write a comment on there. So again, write what kind of theme junk journal you would like me to see or do, and that'll help me a little bit with ideas on what to do next a little bit more. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.